welcome speech.
Thank you. Look, I'm truly humbled to accept the award tonight on behalf of Alinta Energy Geothermal. It's fantastic to see the level of innovation from the other finalists. Any other of those projects could easily have won this award tonight. So I'm truly humbled and pleased. I'd like to just make a couple of quick thank yous, if that's okay. I'd like to thank the Alinta Energy Geothermal team, who we've got some representatives from here with us this evening. So thank you very much for your hard work. This is testament to everything that you've achieved over the years. I'd like to thank our manufacturing partner, AIRAH. And I'd also like to just take a moment to thank Frasers Property Australia. If it wasn't for the leadership and sustainability, the courage and the initiative that Frasers Property took many years ago at the outset of this project, we wouldn't be here today. So I'm truly grateful and very pleased to have representatives from Frasers Property Australia here this evening. Thank you again, enjoy the evening.
Congratulations.